Today we're in room 301 at the Hampton Inn and Suites in Portage, Indiana. You walk into a rather large little hallway area and you've got some hooks there for hanging things up, floor length mirror, small closet with cubbies. We did like the cubbies and the spots to hang things. That was nice. And then you've got two queens, updated headboard, alarm clock, old school phone. I thought this was a little strange. They do have this light over here, which is nice. It lights up the room, but this is a lot of dead open space. Definitely could have used a chair or something over here. We're on the end of the hotel, so view looks out to a neighborhood actually. And then you've got desk and lamp, updated artwork, large TV. This was kind of cool. You've got your standard microwave and coffee maker under there, hidden fridge in here. But this I haven't seen before. It's almost like a pantry. So that's kind of neat if you have an extended stay. And then more room on the desk for luggage, and you've got a little ottoman so you can sit there as well if you have two different people working while you're out of town. We ended up putting all of our luggage right here. As for the bathroom, it is updated. You see the Zero products here. They are not mounted to the wall, which I thought was a little strange, but that's nice. This we did not like. This faucet on the corner. When you end up using it or scooping water, brushing your teeth, washing your face, all the water ends up going right here. It's just there's nowhere for it to go. So kind of a weird spot to mount a faucet and inconvenient. Towels there, couple of hooks. Shower head was okay, and the only other weird thing, you've got your shower gel, shampoo, and conditioner. Clearly it was supposed to be mounted there, and it no longer is, so that's just a little rough around the edges, something that they need to fix. All in all, we booked this room with Hilton Honors points, cost us 36,000 points, and you're pretty close to the dunes, not real far from Chicago, close to the lake, so it was a good location, clean. And if you come here in October 2025, like we did, they are currently doing a lot of renovation. So you're just gonna see a lot of workers and a lot of renovation going on. So they are trying hard to update it. Carpet looks new as well. All right, Portage, Indiana, Hampton Inn and Suites.